Hello everyone, and welcome to this demo on how to run the new Docker Drupal testbot on your local box. For this video, we will start by going to the repo page. This is currently the stable version, while on Drupal.org we are integrating this into the new awesome Drupal CI project. So, we have some instructions here and why this is awesome. So you can test patches on your local box, you can test multiple patches and multiple modules all at once. You can define the Drupal version you want to test. You will get real-time output, and you can choose mysql, sqlite, Postgres already, and you can choose PHP 5.3, 5.4, 5.5. Also, you can test offline. Imagine you're, I don't know, on a train, just flying, and it's really easy. As you can see here, you have quick Linux instructions. Also, you have instructions with Vagrant for Mac and Windows. And since for this demo we are running on native Linux, things are expected to go smoothly. So the first thing we should do actually is just git clone the actual project. I'll just jump right in. So I've run previously on this computer the build. In this case, I'm just going to update using sudo build whole update, and that will update everything that's related to containers and the repo of Drupal and even Composer. So let's do this. It will check if you have Docker installed, and if you don't have, it will install it for you. Also, this is checking if you have databases running. Of course, if you need to update the database container, so you have to stop that container. But essentially, it's creating 3 different containers, so you can just run a Drupal test. So right now it's started already running, and it already finished just getting the list of all the tests that you can run on Drupal. So we can try this example that comes in the end of the first build all run, which is sudo, of course, and then test groups. We're just choosing one of the multiple test groups we can choose there, and we're choosing Drupal branch 8. We could choose, I don't know, 7 and 9 when it arrives, and then you can specify a patch, and then you actually specify what you need to run, and in this case is run.sh, which is our job runner. There are several variables that are documented here, and that you can actually, and with examples that you can actually use. Some variables might say you can use git branches within sandboxes, or even tar.gz files that you can just use as modules into your testing, and they will all appear in the end in a directory on your home called the testbot data. So let's do this. I don't have a patch right now, but I can specify I want to have I don't know, a module inside, like rules, and then you specify, okay, let's run this. That's it. So it goes and fetches the project rules. It already did. It was really fast. And it's doing tests now on only that test group. It passed five passes, six passes, and it will eventually run all of these tests. In the end, you'll be with a directory called the testbot. Yep, results directory on this, and you can just ls and see what's inside. You see the XML is all there, so it's pretty awesome. Actually, we just tested this in, I don't know, 31 seconds, which is really great. The idea behind this is to have it used for the Drupal CI project, as I mentioned before, and it will be integrated within Jenkins and the Drupal.org issue queue that will trigger these tests for the developers. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys go to the page of the project. While we don't have a stable version at Drupal CI, you can use this one. Of course, if you have any issue, I would advise you to go here and just open a new issue on Drupal.org itself project, and if you can contribute, please do. Thanks again.